Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video we are going to proceed with another remedy, right? But before we start, if today is your first time meeting this video or coming across this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, right? We are sharing our ideas. I'm just trying to post what can help other people outside there, right? So please, after you have watched, if you don't even have the problem, or you don't have the disease, or you don't have the pain, just try to think about someone who has that pain or someone who has that issue, and try to share the video to the person. You can also go through other videos and see what can be helpful to another person, right? Family member, a friend, and so on, right? So if today is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, also so that the video can go forward, and subscribe to encourage your sister. Please, I'm trying my best to post everything, anything that could be helpful to you guys. And if you are my returning subscriber, those who have subscribed and always coming back to watch, guys, I love you so much. Thank you for your support also. And in today's video, I'm not going to take too much of your time, right? I'm going to go straight forward. In today's video, I'm going to show you a remedy for waist pain, right? There are some remedies that sometimes you have in your house, you have in your home, but you don't know that this is what can help you. Or maybe you have been consuming them, but because you don't have the issue, you don't know that this is what has been helping you. Like me, I have been consuming those remedies without knowing that if I don't have the issue, if I don't have the pain, I didn't know that it's because I have been consuming it until I was shared this particular remedy, and I did my own research for the one I've been drinking, because the remedy I'm going to show you today is what you use as a cream. So the remedy for waist pain, guys, without wasting most of your time, is garlic. We are going to use garlic. I don't have the waist pain issue, I don't have the waist pain problem, but I'm going to share it with you. That's the reason why I'm not going to do it to show you how I'm doing it, but I'm going to give you the prescription so that you do it by yourself, right? So we are going to use garlic, and we are going to use olive oil. You can use any type of virgin olive oil you have in your house, right? You have on your way. So we are going to use garlic and olive oil. So I'm going to share you the prescription now. What you are going to, and this remedy is to cream your waist, right? When you mix it, you are going to cream your waist with. So how to do it is, you are going to take 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Try to remove the skin from the garlic, blend it, and have the cream from that. So add to that cream 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and you can even keep it in the jar. You can you can keep it in the fridge. If you want to have many of that, you can do it daily. You can also do a bit more to keep in the fridge. And if you are going to keep in the fridge, then that means you are going to add more of garlic, right? And how you are going to do that? If you are using 3 cloves of garlic for 1 tablespoon of olive oil, so double it, like you are going to use 6 cloves of garlic and 2 tablespoons of olive oil, right? If you are going to use 9 cloves of garlic, use 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So this is how you are going to use them, right? Count it that way. You are going to count 3 so that you get the normal measurement. So 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 6 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and so on. And just keep it in the jar, and you can just put it in the fridge. And anytime you have the pain, You just take that cream a little bit and cream your waist with, right? I know people sometimes after you have given birth, the pain stay. For those who don't do the massage, the hot water massage and so on, the pain stay, and at long and large you start feeling it slowly. Also try to be doing exercise. Don't sit for long. Try to move even in your house. Try to move outside, do some exercises. And if you are sitting down, try to be sitting like straight. Don't fold your back and so on. So that's the cream for the waist pain. So now I'm going to share you, and this particular remedy, the cream, was given to me by a friend, and this is what she has been using, and it has helped her a lot. So she decided, she said, I saw you open a new channel and you are sharing a remedy. I'm going to tell you what I use for my waist pain, and if you want, you can share it also to your viewers and they can also try it out. It is very good. It has helped me a lot. And I said, oh, that's a very good idea. I used to drink some of the remedy without knowing that they were also helpful that way. So if you are sharing me the cream, I think this will be very good. Thank you, darling, for your share. Thank you for your knowledge. Thank you for your help. Thank you for helping your sisters out there. So to drink, it is very simple, guys. It is not complicated. It's just drink a green tea. You are going to use green tea. You know, we have those ones that are mixed already, the green tea with ginger. If you make that one, you can also consume them. They come just already done. You can just mix them and be drinking it daily. If you have waist pain and you want to relieve that pain, don't drink any other drink in the morning. Don't take any other tea that green tea, right? Try to consume green tea daily. Try to consume green tea with 1 teaspoon of ginger every day, right? Just if you were drinking other tea, you can put them aside. I consume them a lot. I can take like green tea with ginger a week, and then I change the following week with cinnamon and honey, and I consume. As you can see my back here, I have my ginger powder here, I have garlic powder, I have turmeric, I have cinnamon. It is loaded with my ingredients. I don't joke with that. So I love having my spices around my ingredients, and they help me a lot. Some of them I even consume them without knowing that they are rather helping me with some kind of diseases in my body. I don't know until I am shared by someone. Then anything I hear from someone, I have to do the research, guys. Always try to do your research. Don't be taking things that you don't know, guys. If you believe, because at long and large, they are all bio, they are all natural. But if you believe that, yes, this I know it can help, just take it without any problem. If you have a kind of small doubt, right, just go and do your research and find out whether this is true or this can be taken, because we have some remedies, when you mix them, they are toxic. And this is where, because I am the type of person who doesn't like consuming medicine anyhow, like drugs, a tablet, and I don't like consuming. So when they are bio like this, I prefer to consume them because I know they are not hurtful, right? They are all bio, so they are natural and have nothing to be scared about. So I try to consume them daily. I am good. I don't have that pain. But I didn't know what, as I have been drinking my ingredients here, this is what have been helping me, guys. I didn't know the green tea until I did the research, and I said, wow. So I am consuming this all the time. That's why I don't have that issue. I don't have that problem. But you should be consuming, you should be having those ingredients in your home, guys. If you know you are a living person, right? We are all living, so you should be having those things in your house. Sometimes I don't consume them, but anytime I go to a supermarket, I try to pick one because I don't know when I will be using them. Maybe I will be using them to show you in a video, maybe I will be using them to drink also by myself, and so on. So you are going to consume, as I said, green tea daily. Just add 1 teaspoon of ginger powder on it, right? And be consuming, like you can't swallow it that way. Just add a teaspoon of honey and be drinking it daily. Don't drink other tea, just consume them so that it will release your back muscles, right? And it will also wash all your other body part. You should also be consuming cherry juice, guys. If you drink cherry juice also daily, I didn't know this was also helpful for pain. It also releases muscles pain, guys. I didn't know this until I did the research, because I consume cherry like crazy. I could consume like a whole bucket if I have them on my way. I'm telling you the truth. So if you have the juice from that, every time you go to supermarket, you can also buy anytime you feel like you are thirsty, drink the cherry juice. It will release your back muscles. It will help you relieve the disease, right? That pain, it will disappear even without your knowledge. So you make the cream, drink in the day when you want to drink something, juicy. Cherry juice is your juice. If you want to drink any tea, green tea and 1 teaspoon of ginger should be your daily tea, right? So today was the type of video I wanted to share with you. I hope it will help some of you. I hope someone will be interested and try it out. It's not the garlic and the olive oil are not to be consuming. They are for just a cream. I don't advise you to consume that, to drink that, because I haven't tried it by myself. So when the friend shared it to me, she didn't say she have drink. She said she has been creaming her waist anytime she feels that pain, and it has helped her a lot, and she thinks that is something that we should share out. So this is that's the reason why I'm sharing it with you. So it was a pleasure for me to share this particular remedy with you. I hope you share it to help someone, right? And encourage me also by subscribing. Thank you for watching. I love you all, guys. Until we meet next time. Mwah! Bye.